This mango is a little hairy, which isn't the kind of mango you want for the dried mangoes, but it's fine for the fruit leather because we're gonna juice it and strain it anyway. Now, although this mango is green, I can smell it, so it should be ripe enough, but we're gonna see. Okay, so it's best to use a serrated knife, especially when it's this fibrous. Get your big spoon and just scoop it right out. Don't throw the skin away, there's so much you can do with this. Now for this part, you can use a strainer, a nut milk bag, or a cheesecloth. They'll all work just fine. Oh, it smells so good in here. All right, and this is what's left. You don't need to add anything to this recipe. The mango juice by itself is already so sweet. You'll want to spread it out, but make it as thick as possible. Okay, and to finish even it out, you're just gonna tap it down a bit. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make chewy dried mangoes, so stay tuned.